Here we have the first bunk bed in the back rear room. The second bunk is over here with a child's table. They can also be sleeping. This is a private room for the kids. Leads out to the dinette, the sofa with armrest, the entertainment area where a TV can go, outside door, and a kitchen, wraparound kitchen, full-size refrigerator. Back to the restroom, which also has a separate entrance. Nice large standing shower here. And up front we have the private bedroom with 2 doors. Queen size bed. Two big slide outs, one right here in the living room, the other one in the bunkhouse. Gives you plenty of room to get around. Everybody will be comfortable. Come see us at Drew's.